Hi, I'm Doug Black. I'm editor-in-chief at Inside HPC. And today at ISC, we're talking with Vangel Bojaxhi. He is Inspur's Global AI and HPC Director. Vangel, welcome.
Hi, Doug. Thank you for having me. As you introduced, my name is Vangel Bojaxhi. I joined the Inspur Systems about 5 years ago. Currently, I'm holding the position of Inspur Global Director for AI HPC, mainly focused on promotion of the company AI and HPC business in the global market. Before joining Inspur for more than 25 years, I've been engaged in different HPC management and R&D positions of large oil and gas upstream company that utilized the very largest supercomputer system during the years. For listeners who are not familiar with Inspur Systems, I would share that the Inspur Information System is a global leader in data center IT infrastructure product and solutions. Currently, Inspur server market share, it's ranked in the world top 3 actually. Inspur has become practically NVIDIA larger partners in enterprise GPU shipment worldwide. And now Inspur is the only vendor that offers the full line of x86 and non-x86 servers in the industry.
Okay. Thank you for that introduction. Nice overview. Tell us a little bit about what Inspur plans to announce at ISC this year.
Well, at ISC 21, Inspur is pioneering the release of liquid-cooled AI server NF5488A5, which accommodate 8 A100 GPUs. It is practically industry first high-performance GPU servers, which delivers the advantage of liquid cooling for high-efficient green energy HPC solutions. At the same time, at ISC, Inspur is announcing the upgrades of its mobile liquid-cooled HPC solution, which is based on its proprietary high-density water-cooled servers. Its innovative design and energy efficiency allow effective water cooling of servers in high-density deployments. Inspur high-density water-cooled servers can be docked with an adjacent rack liquid-cooled cooling distribution unit, CDUs, to quickly construct large-scale clusters, as already deployed at Western China Science and Technology Innovation Harbor.
Now, looking back over the last year or so, what are some of Inspur's key customer successes in the HPC arena?
As I mentioned, Inspur mobile liquid cooling program was deployed initially in Western China Science and Technology Innovation Harbor, which is focused on the interdisciplinary research in science, engineering, and medicine by harboring 29 research institutes and more than 300 scientific research programs, effectively addressing the most challenging HPC user demands. With more than 12 petaflops computing power and 2 petabytes storage capacity, the complete system uses cold plate liquid cool technology to support up to 35 degrees Celsius operation temperature, while ensuring long-time stability. The complete system does not require external lines or setting up outdoor cooling tower or computer room revamping. It can be installed directly in the standard cabinets, which permits rapid assembly or disassembly for mobile deployment. For example, an 8-node liquid-cooled cluster was deployed under 1 hour and can be efficiently and practically expanded on demand, thus significantly lowering the adoption threshold of large liquid-cooled HPC system in modern large data centers. We believe that this addressed the urgent needs of thousands of students, faculty, and researchers, effectively laying down a solid foundation for the rapid development of scientific research and innovation at Western China Science and Technology Cultivation Harbor, it's called. Inspur solution also have been deployed in research institutions and enterprises throughout the country, such as Jiaotong University, Qingdao Marine Laboratory, GRE, Sykes Volkswagen companies, successfully helping customers to accelerate the research and manufacturing in respective fields. Now, specific for Europe, Inspur is cooperating with a number of partners and major clients to address the needs for AI and HPC solution in many countries. For example, Inspur is working with Megware, Computer Virtual and Service GmbH, which through its 30 years history has established itself as one of Europe's leading HPC companies with experience in development and installation of high-performance computing system and Linux clusters. Inspur and Megware are focused in advanced HPC and AI system and applications in astronomy research, life sciences, education, and more. In European Union, one of the most welcome products is the Inspur warm water-cooled server NF5488A5, which we announced in ISC 21, which has been deployed already, in a number of well-researched institutions and universities. As I mentioned, these servers did break the performance record several times in LMPerf AI benchmarking. The NF54A5 single node delivers computing performance of up to 5 petaflops because of its ultra-low latency, ultra-bandwidth, non-blocking design for efficient data communication in a wide range of AI workloads, which dramatically reduce AI model training and development cycle. For example, top life science institutes in Europe use Inspur AI server for early diagnosis and precision therapy of diseases, and in scientific research for protein molecular structure analysis and gene sequences, which saves more than 30% of time for organizing the data and analyzing the imaging, etc. Also, a top university in Germany used the most advanced Inspur servers to upgrade its legacy cluster and made it immediately available to a broad range of German researchers. Inspur AI and HPC solution is proven to help users worldwide to reduce the total cost of ownership and accelerate the research and application in medicine, astronomy, manufacturing, and so on.
Okay, thanks for that update. That's an impressive record. Now, looking out over the next 12 to 18 months, what might we expect to see from Inspur in HPC?
Liquid cooling has been the focus and will remain the main direction of further deployment of Inspur HPC technologies. For example, this release of liquid-cooled AI servers and mobile liquid-cooled HPC program will be followed by more micro-module liquid-cooled data center products. So Inspur will continue to enrich further its data center product line and provide more cutting-edge and green computing solution to customers worldwide. On the other hand, following the reality of the major trend of HPC move from traditional research to enterprise businesses, Inspur mathematicians and computer scientists have been helping enterprise and manufacturing customers to extensively apply HPC simulation in product development, which effectively reduce the research costs and shorten the product evolution lifecycle. In the future, Inspur domain expert will continue to work more closely with partners and especially enterprise users that we're talking to drive HPC application in more new areas of manufacturing and industry. The AI and HPC convergence is another major trend that we have to mention, and as such, the HPC Center will host an increasing number of AI workloads. In this regard, Inspur will remain focused to help customers to better manage heterogeneous HPC and AI system by further enhancing its cluster engine, which is Inspur middleware for HPC cluster management and performance profiling and optimization. Cluster engine drastically helps the customer to seamlessly manage HPC and AI workloads and efficiently optimize the HPC AI application code by capturing the runtime data and exposing the bottlenecks in workflow execution throughout the entire compute and I/O components of the most advanced heterogeneous systems, basically integrated with technologies from different manufacturers like Intel, NVIDIA, IBM, AMD, Linux, etc. So Inspur in the future will stay put on this trend and boost further the innovation and help the customer applications to better utilize the full real estates of this HPC and AI mixed systems of components of different manufacturers that I already just mentioned.
Okay. Well, thanks for that update overall. We'll look forward to seeing announcements along those lines over the coming year. And Great to see you again, Vangel. Have a great ISC.
Thank you very much. It's good to see you again as well, and looking forward for our next opportunity to talk and work together. Thank you.
Okay, thanks so much.
Bye.